So you and I now, they're clear and your camera's doing HD, but is what he's roughly saying is that this event that we're in, which is in a different time to anybody else's events that's happening now, is a microcosm of what's going on. And so when we see this clearly HD image, it's really a blur. The question is about how I try to use the sort of technologies and how I discover them and how I reenact them into an artwork. So then to try and get the quantum work done, I had to go and see the quantum computing people and start to try and see if they would let me have access to some of their ideas and thinking, and also enable me to propose a kind of research. So one of the things I proposed was that I wanted to, because they use a microwave signal to affect the spin, there isn't a spin, of an electron, then I wanted to see if I could, rather than have just that process that they use, it's just a microwave at this rate or that rate, that I could actually affect the microwave signal, so to give it some contextualized meaning. And so I asked if I could read to it Feynman's paper on the birth of a quantum computer. So he's saying, if you want to make a computer, then you have to make it quantum, and it's a beautiful concept type of thing. And so you try and do this. So then I read to this, and the technician would then take that reading and convert it to a different wave format that became a microwave format. I mean, still in the sort of wave, but obviously not. So you're dealing with something that's indexical to what you're saying. But I thought, it's like, a father talking to the son. This is what I've created, this is you. And what you're looking at is where the cantilever, which is a tiny little point, comes down and touches the surface, and then pulls back. Because it's attracted to the surface, it has to have energy to pull back, and that energy is what they measure. So they get the image from the energy that it takes to pull away from the surface. One of the things I learned when I was trying to write this was that I really needed to try and make an analog artwork where I wasn't using technology to express, to see if I could express the emotion and so on that I was feeling in a work, because I felt that it'd be unauthentic unless I did that.